Hello there, Jerome here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a web server in a traditional way versus a Kubernetes way so that you can compare and contrast. Let's get started. The first thing is to install the Nginx. See the status is active and running. The Nginx web server is installed. Next, I'm going to find the IP address for this web server. And directly install the web server onto Linux server like this way is widely used. The majority of the companies are using this methods. The main drawback for this method is that if this web server is down, then nobody can access it. So there's no fault tolerance. Next, deploy a web server in Kubernetes. We use Minikube start drive to kick off the cluster generation process. Okay, we have Minikube cluster. Let's look at the deployment script. In this script, I specify the name of this deployment. It's called Hello Nginx, and the image will be Nginx, and we have two replicas, meaning identical copies of the pods running at the same time. Next, let's deploy the pods using the deployment script. We're going to call Hello Nginx using Minikube command. Let's open up in the Firefox. Alright, Nginx is deployed into Kubernetes pods. Now let's look at the Minikube dashboard. After this dashboard, you will see the two replicas. So this is a Ubuntu VirtualBox, so the node will be Ubuntu. We have two identical pods. Click each of them. It will show the details such as metadata, resource information, and conditions. Here you see the replica. Two copies are running. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.